The word hazard, the English word hazard, is used in all manner of different areas: occupational health and safety, systems safety, operations, senior management, C-suite, across all different industries. And that definition is very sort of nebulous and ambiguous. And often it is very broad. So the most popular definition of a hazard is literally anything that has the potential to cause harm. Now that is such a broad definition that trying to understand what a hazard is and what you need to do to manage it and how far you need to go, how much money you need to spend, it's almost impossible to do that because it's so broad. And so Nancy introduced this concept of a hazard, which is very much based on the US defense system safety approach, so that you are constraining what is considered to be something you need to manage to something that's actually within your realm of control. So, for example, in the air transport domain, a mountain range or high terrain would not be a hazard by definition. If you wanted to consider that you would change that definition to consider the proximity of an aircraft or its trajectory to that physical terrain, if that makes sense. But it's important when people do comparisons between STAMP approaches and traditional approaches, it's always important to highlight that the definition of a hazard is different. And if you read any papers or watch any presentations where the author presenter does not emphasize that, you can be certain that they have not considered the core concepts of STAMP properly and should be questioned about it.